You won't believe how this Volkswagen Microbus survived the raging Malibu fires of 2025. Yes, a blue and white 1977 VW bus stood defiant amidst the ashes, capturing hearts worldwide. And now, it's been restored in a way that's turning heads again. But wait until you hear what Volkswagen did next. Just when you think you've heard it all, VW steps in with a bold move. They tracked down the owner, Megan Crystal Weinraub, and decided to bring her beloved bus, Azul, back to life. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this restoration is more than just a rebuild, it's a symbol of hope. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Volkswagen didn't just restore Azul to its factory settings. Instead, they honored its history, keeping all of Megan's customizations intact. Working with GE Kundensport, they sanded the bus down to bare metal, straightened out the bodywork, and repainted it with a custom ocean blue and pastel white. But here's the kicker, they even kept the quirky sticker on the dash that reads, "Caution, close all windows after 140 miles per hour." The restoration didn't stop at the paint job. New windows, seals, and trim pieces were added. And the interior got a deep refresh, with houndstooth fabric to match the original textiles. Amazingly, they managed to keep the original engine running, replacing only the necessary parts like air leaks and vacuum holes. They even found 11 gallons of fuel in it that hadn't exploded. Azul is not just a restored vehicle, it's a masterpiece of resilience. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. Azul is on display at the Los Angeles Auto Show, a true testament to the spirit of California. After that, it'll head to the Peterson Automotive Museum. But Megan plans to take it back to Malibu, where it all began, as a beacon of recovery. So, what does this mean for the future of automotive restoration? It's a beautiful reminder that sometimes, preserving history is more important than starting fresh. It's a nod to the past while embracing the future. Could this inspire other automakers to focus more on heritage restorations? Only time will tell. Now that you've heard this incredible story, what do you think? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down another amazing automotive transformation you won't want to miss.